So the interactive process is really unique, and it's something that we're really proud of, and it's something that we try to do consistently as much as we need to. So what that means is if a client comes in and has a unique issue or maybe a problem, they're not sure how to describe it, or maybe we're not sure how to translate it, right? Like they're trying to tell us over the phone what's going on. Maybe we're not getting all the finite details in there. So it then needs to be escalated to the next step. And what that is we will then have the client come in and we will take our technician off of the line, even the shop foreman if we have to, or one of the team leaders, or any technician in the shop, to have FaceTime with the client. And that way the client can speak and the technician can pick it up firsthand knowledge or firsthand information from the client and make sure that they're on the same page, that information is being communicated properly and that we have a good understanding, because what that's going to do is then lead the technician down the proper path to diagnose the problem and then in turn fix it. So that goes back to our accurate diagnosis and the time spent gathering that information. This is just taking it to the next level. And so all of our guys are ready at a moment's notice to put down what they're doing. They'll come right out to the client, they'll spend time with them. They'll get in the car with them if they need to. They can road test with them. They can do video or media sharing with them throughout the process to confirm or deny that we're on the proper course or on the right track of what we're looking for, and keep the client updated in real time. So it cuts down on repeat visits for the same thing. Sometimes can take a little longer, but at the end, it's a great result. You know, the client tends to be very patient when we do that route because they know that we're going all out to make sure that we capture what they're looking to capture and that we fix it right the first time. So it's been a great proven process, and we're going to continue to do that.